The conference call, and then, I mean, get in your lane. How many lanes are you driving in, you bitch? Oh my God, this guy is driving in 2 lanes. Like, I don't understand. What a dickhead. Anyway, sorry guys. Stop driving in 2 lanes, you piece of guys. My road rage is on 10 sometimes, but literally this guy is driving in 2 lanes. I can't go to the left, I can't go to the right. Like, why are you doing that? And not when I'm late. Don't do that. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna take a walk to Starbucks after my conference call. So I'll check back in with you guys later.
Feel good, I feel good. Feel like velvet rubbing over my. I feel good, cause your perfume is loud. Feel good, but still just chose to remember my face.
Wind up my body, go on bad, come son with her. I saw me go on, come me down up the man. So me sit down and just a wine for me, sir.
Kyle them thick like dumpling. Girl with big body jumping. Action ready for the thump.
Guys, I just had to show this because you guys need to see what it is that us women go through. When I tell you that something just flew into my eye, into my left eye, I mean, it's probably just a damn lash, but the damn thing felt like a boulder. Okay, it was so bad I had to rip my lashes off. I'm like, all right, this shit's got to go. Jesus have mercy, this is crazy. Let me park because I'm blocking traffic right now. But guys, I mean, the shit felt like a freaking boulder in my eye. Look it. So now I've got one lash on, one lash off. I'm gonna have to take this one off. No lashes today, because okay. All right, so no lashes today. Now it looks like I've been crying and somebody punched me in my left eye. Gotta clean that up a little bit. And guys, I'm one of those girls that I don't walk around with makeup. I don't have anything in my bag to fix this. I don't have any concealer. I don't have eyeliner. I don't have lash glue. I don't have nothing. I don't walk around with anything. I don't even have lipstick to top up my lipstick once it goes. Like, once it's gone, it's gone. I've never been one of those girls. You know, like some girls travel with like a whole makeup case in their bag. That's never been me. It's never been me. Anyway, so I am parking right now. Ever since somebody freaking banged at my damn door, now, which I guess I should have been doing all along. Somebody told me that. My trainer told me, he's like, oh, why are you parked down here with everybody? You should go to the top. But I don't feel like going out of my way to park just because whatever. But now I know. Lesson learned. So now I actually park away from people. I don't just go on the first floor just because there's a spot available. Anyway, let me get out of here. I actually made it in time. I have 7 minutes. I have 7 minutes to walk to the office. Let me take this. Got my lunch bag today, guys. Jesus, I can't believe that damn thing ruined my damn. I mean, I didn't wear eye makeup today. I just wore eyeliner. But you guys know eyeliner makes a huge difference. Like, that's why I feel like I don't have to wear eye makeup all the time, because I put eyeliner on and I just look so much better. Now that's ruined. All right, guys, it's 9:43. I literally just made it to my office. So I'm gonna grab my computer and my laptop. Look how dry my plant. Oh, fuck. I brought some fungus treatment for that damn plant. I forgot it. I'm gonna set up really quickly. 9:43, I've got 2 minutes. I got 1 minute. All right, so go to my Zoom link.
you end up doing anything this weekend?
No,
It was actually nice.
I did
Really?
not. I did nothing. I finished my garden. That's what I did. I went and I brought mulch and I finished my garden, which was looking banging right now. Hi, Peter.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
You're in a good mood this morning.
I guess. Guys, it's 9:58 and I just remembered to like pay for parking. So essentially my car's been sitting out there for 13 minutes. Hopefully White Plains PD hasn't gotten to me yet. First order of business is to have, I may have decided against my coffee because I don't know, I think I'm just trying to think of there's coffee and my fruits in my stomach and they might clash. This, by the way, is it's supposed to be breakfast. I opted into, I think I told you guys, I purchased this meal plan that supposedly is I'm supposed to lose 22 pounds in 6 weeks or something like that. And this is one of the recipes they had in there. It's chia seeds, coconut milk, agave, vanilla, honey, and it's got prunes in there. It also had walnuts, like it wanted me to add caramelized walnuts, but I don't like walnuts. I didn't put the walnuts in there. And don't be alarmed by the fact that I have prunes in there because it does not have the effect on me that it's known for. So it's fine. So this is supposed to be breakfast, but you guys know that I always start my day with fruits. So I'm gonna have this first, and when I feel hungry, I'm gonna have this. Which, by the way, it tastes quite good, quite good. Hey guys, so I didn't even get a chance to check back in with you guys, but I had a very productive day. I finished one motion, the other one is almost done. Oh God. Even though I just went to Whole Foods on Friday, I'm thinking I need to make another visit because I'm out of my yogurt. My coconut yogurt, which I love. I love. I like to have it with granola. It's so delicious. And that's usually like my lunchtime snack. When I go into the office, I'll bring my fruits and I'll bring my yogurt mixed with granola. And that's what I have. And then I'll just have dinner when I get home. I didn't mind that chia pudding thing that I made today, but it's not my favorite. It's not my... Guys, why did I get nervous just now when I bent the corner and saw my car like that? Did my car really sense me from the damn stairs? That made me nervous. I'm like, wait, please tell me I did not leave my car on all day. Because yes, that has happened. I have left my car on all day outside of my house, across the street from my house. If you guys remember, I left my car on while I went shopping in Sears. I was very lucky to come back and find a damn car. But yeah, I am known to do that. I have a glove that I've already taken off.
Please wait. Take the ticket. Welcome.
Okay. These are some big ass strawberries to be organic. They're massive. baked tomatoes. This one. Okay. I'll get this so it doesn't ripe right away. Oh.
Please wait. Please drive safely.
Hey, I forgot about this song. Big up Carly Savage on this one.
Celebrity like wow, look like a model when you're walking slow. Me and your MC on a champion flow. I think I'm your girl, left right there like Uno. Oh, your bad mind, so. Glasses, boy, oh, your bad mind, so. Yeah, live like you live no day. Make money straight and I got make your face. She want me, she the woman I will call me. She said, do what we just come and go listen, I wanna be loved like I'm my rate. So, if you did up, you wouldn't have time to start out the pizza.
Oh, finally, my wine shop is open, you guys. Twice I've driven by here and I'm like, oh, I feel like I need to get my favorite wine, and it's been closed both times. I'm gonna have to grab it before they decide to shut down again. Yeah. Come on, fully bud, fully bud. I can't get used to this crap, you guys. The day I went to go buy the mulch at Home Depot, I went, and because I drove Daddy's car, I didn't have a mask because I normally have my mask in my car. Didn't have a mask, so guess what? I had to drive my ass back home. Cabernet Sauvignon. Where is it? Luscious. Yeah. Big one.
The large?
Yeah. Thank you. So I'm gonna go get some club soda, so the next time everybody's over I can make some fresh mojitos. So I'm gonna make some kind of fruit flavored mojito with real fruit, real mango, real peach, real, you know. I didn't pay the meter, you guys. Hopefully it's quick. Now I'll come back to a ticket. Oh. Oh God. Oh my God, the car smells so good. Ooh. So good. All right guys, so this is what I've got left. This is what I have to store away. I've made a couple fruit bowls out of it, which is why there's so little left. And I made fish for tomorrow. See? That's some yellowtail snapper. And for my salads throughout the week, I made some jerk shrimp. Yeah, I don't know why. I feel like I was in a cooking mood tonight. I'm not sure why, but yeah, that's it. Over here, we've got the fruit bowls. I'm gonna put these away. My tomatoes are drying. My raspberries are drying. I don't think they're that good. I didn't really pick up a good bunch this time, which is annoying, but whatever. Yeah, that's it. So I'm going to end this vlog now, guys. I have a habit of not ending my vlogs or not remembering to end my vlogs. So I'm going to end the vlog now. This is it. At the end of my night, I'm going to go start watching season 4 of Queen of the South. Good night.